Check it out, guys. I just pulled the head off the Paloma. I wanted to check the shim stack. It's supposed to be running a point 0.3, 2.3s, and then a point 0.2 in the middle. The only thing I saw wrong was the point 0.1 or the point 0.2. Looks like it's a point 0.1 and it was on the bottom. The other thing that I noticed was that the head button seemed loose. See how easy it spins in there, and look how easy it comes out. Look, I'm just barely grasping the top of the glow plug there. Not to mention that glow plug's also wrong. That thing's probably a hot one or something. The head button is right. Let's see, code 28025 on there. And you can see how easy it just spins in there and it just comes right off. Like, I just lift it right out of there. And it wobbles in there a little bit too. See that? So I think it's just not making a good seal. Because every engine that I've ever had that did that had this same kind of tuning issue, would just kind of overheat and wouldn't run well. I think that's the problem with this engine. Anyway, guys, let me know if you've ever run into that issue. See, it says code 28025. And then here it says code 28025 there. I had to make this screwdriver. It's just a little cheapo from Harbor Freight. Came with a big old kit. It didn't fit down the little bore holes because the sides here were flared out. So I just filed them down because I lost my other screwdriver. But I had to get in there, man. Now this little screwdriver fits perfect. I couldn't believe it. So it fits perfect in the little screws. Let me see if I can pull one out and show you. Hold on. Oh man, what happened? Check it out. Oh, this one fits a little loose. The other screw fit really tight. Oh look, there it goes. Yeah, see. See if I can. I'm not very good at doing this. But you can see how well it fits in there. Let's see if I can. How do I? Am I supposed to do that? Zoom in. Anyway, you can see how it'll basically just stick on there. Come on, man. Stupid camera. Whoa. Oh man, it finally fell off. Anyway, that's it, guys. I couldn't believe it, man. This little thing works great. Little cheapo screwdriver. If I could just figure out how to work my camera better. There it goes. Look at that. Yeah, look how well it fits down in there. I guess I have to get like a flat surface background. There we go. Look at that. You see how well it fits down in that little groove. It even stays on the screwdriver. That's wonderful. Anyway, hopefully if I just change out this shim here with maybe one of these other ones, or maybe change out these aluminum ones with the rest of these copper ones, it'll fix the issue. But I was having a hard time tuning this thing. It did not want to tune. I know the plug is wrong. As you can tell, that's not a Novarossi plug. Lord only knows what that is. And that plug looks like it's burned up too. From running too lean. You can see how it's running on the lean side. Got some caramelization on the back of the exhaust side of the engine. Running real lean on the intake side there. Yeah, this thing was a nightmare trying to tune, man. So I'm thinking it could be an issue with the head button not sealing well. Anyway, guys, let me know if you've got any input on that. And hopefully I can get this Paloma going, man, because I really want to run this engine. Anyway, guys, appreciate your help. See you in the next one. Later.